Hi, I'm Spencer, Finance and Protection Consultant here at Audi Kitchener-Waterloo. Protecting your vehicle and preserving its pristine appearance is as important to us as it is to you. That's why we offer XPEL Ultimate Plus Paint Protection Film, the industry standard for invisible protection. This durable, virtually invisible urethane layer acts as a barrier against chips, scratches, stains, and road debris. Whether it's stones, insects, or harsh environmental elements, XPEL Ultimate Plus absorbs the impact before it ever reaches your Audi's paint. Engineered with advanced elastomeric polymers, the film features self-healing technology. This means that light scratches and swirl marks disappear with heat, keeping your Audi's finish looking flawless. The high gloss finish enhances your vehicle's natural shine while remaining crystal clear. So the only thing you notice is the design of your Audi, not the protection. Our installations are completed by trusted professionals using a computer-cut system tailored to each vehicle. This ensures precise fitment, seamless coverage, and lasting performance. From the hood and the fenders to custom areas throughout the vehicle, protection can be applied exactly where you need it most. Best of all, XPEL Ultimate Plus comes backed by a 10-year transferable warranty, so you can drive with confidence knowing your Audi is safeguarded for years to come. For more information on XPEL Paint Protection Film, or to explore our full range of protection products, visit us at audikw.com or connect with our team today.